Hey guys, are you want to buy Best Buy computer? Then you are in the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 Best Buy computer that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1, Garmin Edge 830. The Garmin Edge 830 is an excellent GPS cycling computer for athletes and riders who want to track their progress to the max. The Garmin Edge 830 is perfect for tracking MTB dynamics. It features a jump count, jump distance, hang time, and grit, a measure of the ride's difficulty and flow, which tracks the smoothness of your descent so you have a score to beat next time. It also includes a safety bike alarm, group messaging and tracking, assistance, and compatibility with Varia rearview radar and lights so you can see and be seen. Additionally, it has a long battery life of up to 20 hours with GPS and is compatible with the Garmin Charge Power Pack for up to 40 hours of additional battery life. Finally, it comes with routable Garmin Cycle Map preloaded, plus on-device route creation, off-course recalculation, and back-to-start features. At number 2, Garmin Edge 500. The Garmin Edge 530 is a bike computer that offers dynamic performance monitoring, GPS, and safety features. It has a battery life of up to 20 hours with GPS and works with the Garmin Charge Power Pack for up to 40 hours of additional battery life. You can customize it with free apps, widgets, and data fields from the Connect IQ store. The Edge 530 also has cycling safety features like a new bike alarm and dynamic performance monitoring, which provides insights on things like your VO2 max, recovery, training balance, heat and altitude acclimation, nutrition, hydration, and more when paired with compatible sensors. Finally, the MTB Dynamics track jump count, jump distance, and hang time, as well as grit, a measure of the ride's difficulty and flow, which tracks the smoothness of your descent. Now number 3. Wahoo Fitness Element. The Wahoo Element is a top-of-the-line bike computer that provides riders with turn-by-turn navigation, on-device mapping, and more. This unit also features ANT Plus radar integration, making it easier than ever to avoid obstacles while out on the road. The companion app makes setup a breeze, and the 3 Easy Sense convex top buttons make operation a snap. The Element also provides on-screen pop-up alerts and LED indications to notify you of calls, text, emails, WhatsApp, Signal, Line, Telegram, and WeChat messages on iOS and Android if you're riding with your smartphone. It also has the ability to sync with compatible accounts to automatically and wirelessly download your saved routes. Whether you're looking for the reliable bike computer to track your rides, the Wahoo Element is an excellent choice. At number 4, Brighton Rider 320. The Brighton Rider 320E is a high-quality bike computer with GPS that offers 35 hours of battery life. It has a black and white 2.3-inch screen with a powerful backlight and adjustable contrast, making it easy to read even in low-light conditions. The computer also comes equipped with 72 plus functions and 5 satellite system support for a stronger signal. Additionally, it is compatible with Brighton Active app and ANT Plus power meter for an even better experience. The calibration feature makes it easy to get the most accurate readings. Overall, the Brighton Rider 320E is an excellent bike computer that is perfect for serious cyclists. And our last product is Sigma Sport ROX 4.0. The Sigma ROX 4.0 bike computer is a GPS-enabled device that offers easy 3-button operation and is X7 water, with functions such as altitude profile, speed, distance, and training time, navigation information, and connection to an e-bike. The Sigma ROX 4.0 is perfect for cyclists of all levels. The 2.4 diagonal display makes it easy to see all of the information at a glance, and the ROX 4.0 can be easily connected to additional sensors using ANT Plus and BLE for measuring speed, heart rate, and cadence. Installation is quick and easy, making the Sigma ROX 4.0 the perfect choice for anyone looking for a reliable and easy-to-use bike computer. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.